Hey guys, it's Blair with RevitAuto, and in this video, we're going to be doing a teaser for a series on the TPMS 80 from CGS Sulit. Now, they also make the TSO1 tire pressure monitor sensor, which comes in both your 315 and your 433 for all your vehicles and all your applications. Now, we've installed this on Audis, BMWs, Nissans, and a ton of Fords, have had great product support and have had no issues with the install itself. There's multiple different ways that you can install the sensor, and it gives you all the processes here. The scan tool itself is rugged, durable, and comes with a long enough reach here on the OBD2 port that you're not fighting it when you're plugging it in. You can hold it in your hand comfortably while you're sitting in the driver's seat. Unplug it, go around, trigger all your sensors, and you're rocking and rolling. This is really, really exciting because these scan tools and these sensors are super affordable. They're about a third the cost of the competition, but they're not sacrificing in the quality. So now we are actually able to increase our profit margins on a really tight budget when it comes to tires, because anything in the auto industry that's a commodity business that everyone needs, that's easily replicable, the margins are really low. So when you get something like this that's quality, you get a little bit excited. And I'm really excited for you guys to smash that subscribe button and see all the cool content that we'll be putting out here on the CGS Sulit TPMS 80 scan tool.